From the Ningo Pram Pram Lorry Park, this is the constituency debate, bringing accountability to your doorstep, making sure that you, the constituents, you have the opportunity to quiz your parliamentary candidates, your incumbent member of parliament, ask him what he has done, what he intends to do, and then you make up your mind so that they don't have any reason to say that they've been busy with parliamentary work and so cannot connect with you. We have brought accountability to your doorstep.
This program is brought to you by Ketsi Star Ghana Foundation with funding from the FCDO and the European Union. So we extended an invitation to the NDC, the NPP, the independent candidates, and also to GUM. What we do have here is the sitting MP, Honorable Sam Nati George of the NDC. We have Angmo Richard Nati of, he's an independent candidate, and Freeborn Kofite of GUM. Actually, Wahame. And let's start with the incumbent member of parliament, Honorable Sam Nati George. We know you as the sitting MP. She talked to your people.
On the issue of education, what we tried to do was, ye mambine anyene aya university. No banga munyu tu mudeno. Wabime kakaka lafake nyonglewi ekekpago. 147 students have been supported by me in the university under the MP scholarship program. Lowawa wabime ne ange school ya ge university. Again, one thing we're doing is to do a restocking and refurnishing of the kindergarten blocks, because for me, I believe that the kindergarten is the foundation. Iya wa kindergarten school loko mamini na nejuko me hinsinge teno, a hinsinge cement block no. Nike, that is not the way a child should start education. Lo so far wa he 800 plastic chairs, and the plastic chairs are the alloyed chairs. Ne are using a Montessori schools or Mengega. Those kinds of chairs. Because at the time, or ye being a kindergarten, I said, send a be my hinongega. That's the same chair.
You mean that you're bringing what your children are experiencing in Accra
Absolutely.
to Ningo Pram Pram?
Same. I went to the school, asked them where they bought it from, went to the same place, placed the order. We've supplied 800 chairs and tables. Another 500 chairs and tables are on their way to make sure that we change all the kindergarten classrooms in the constituency.
Not the requisite educational qualification that could bring them the kinds of jobs that could make their lives better. So you set out on an agenda. We'll get into that detail. But Freeborn, ma botano fe member of parliament kaya Ningo Pram Pram biye. No ni MPH esa here.
No mane deno. Baba wu ngane mabiome wageni fu hia. Mbotu no pere wa ba em no. Ake wa tole to em no. Agbenya. Say about 4 months you know. Abli wenya. Say amakaje blema. Jana hu no ni nga si pa bo lingbito ni pa si bo. Inaka nyagba ko nenge ka sanitation he. Fale pay me ne wa boy he mode ngo wa consensio. Jita frache wa gba mi he. Iya mobole. Abe toilet ngamam. Ibagige ocheboku abeko afie nyamam ni che abe public toilet. Na juma deu. Ko pangbra ke pio no wa ma biome wa ke school biome na government school toilet wa ke menga ehua. Mahem the same. Mambo the same. Hefe the same. Ahwiam the same. Omananya. Pio nanya obananya. Pio wa bado ko mi click on pio. No go mala magba o magba pram pram yem no. Mabo mobo. Lawyer Otiji taflache ayi gba aga punya mikaniyo ebe wo wa. Ke maka ke nyoko ngana pega miyo lolo chowe ka ma me kula anagba mi papa. Nyane wa no very clear. Ke maka ke menyo anatoleto lolo chowe ka. It doesn't serve the president's car. Makula ana bam he papa. Lo makpa nye peka. Emiye ba bedo mio. Ma pesio ka. Agbaga wonya. Agbaga pum. Aka taflache. Aka wo pointy bag me. Naga forgot am. It will be the thing of the past.
Toboli nene ino kwina la ma PMP ndio. Imi honorable Richard Nati oninge honorable nake magodie. It stand last 4 years saying now we APC eba kikimo se bi ono ya independent bele ngaji o nyagba fu ni go pabra no sometimes o wa here party e ko me na akili ke party ngwa me ka me na manyama pi se ka ba ho jano emni tani we no etwo ni wonya ni tum we da jim lo ni nyimi o me kra de ke na juani na twa ni wonya ni tum fe gwa nyimi gba na matomu no ame ne wa gbaji gban ka hospital facility ka nyu it become a big problem how nga ni go pabra nga no lo je ni go wa da sika ke mo ha wa me wa parliament o wa ke ma me ma fon bro ko ne ma bia nya gba mi o
okay
ma ya no ma be kra ame
access to healthcare facilities in the constituency, because he says that not many people can afford healthcare, quality healthcare, and so he is going to be committed to that in ensuring that access to quality healthcare is increased in the constituency. He's also saying that with other issues that the constituency, the residents within the constituency have brought to his attention, that's something that he's going to work on. He's going to work directly with the constituents to address their challenges so that they benefit from he being in parliament. In summary, that's what Honorable Richard Ambanate wants to go and do in parliament.
Comment on toilette koni yo wasene ye piene. Mufamo amele. Beni andis ba John Lawrence Town ne ba fe na kan toilette. Comment tomo formers ne aka toilette FT. Na ba sa up till now akbele toilette abasa
Shagbele.
No ni ewo.
Na wabasa.
Ile mo ni basa aka tomo cancer bi e lisa.
Okay. Shagbele kona.
Akpele kona kame ba ben gbowoda ngbe toilet yo ni nye inu aka ka well toilet day no ngene mi to mo wie na kan no ni hana me sa na chowo aba sa ni na gbele le mini ji na ka problem e ora ni wo yo session e kame ba ngbe nye toilet yo dege song no na kan ni la no kwa e gbana
O kamen na sanegba council be o kamen na sanegba ke district assembly.
Oh yeah, na be ka kanoni yo be aba ka be shi up to na ameka go no go. Ko ya gbene no asa gbene ka shefi o ba se junction ya. Como inside eku. Ko ya left side, ko ya ko left side e. Eku e wo mi ni ekun lolo.
Call ya towards any Anglican so much yo.
So much yo.
Okay. Benjamin town and country planning be a yo.
Davi ameje ga jeje aka te mu.
Amekete be we call ya so much ma say John ge shi be FT again.
FT in go all left side ko ya. O ya straight ko left side eku. Ni jame fe eku kemba. Ni still wo ye ma me na be sa.
Oye ake taflache kuncho ni ji toilet ni former President Rawlings na equity no ne ma efite na baba sa for 4 months agbelekona ni agbene hu no ni your school emi chwe na ke ha assembly e biane amema hole eku egbe mi ni asako e wo nojo sanje nyo ke bo oyue no wo boni ba fe na ba akwe Radon. Sam George, Oye education is Sunday. Ni okay connect ke ha job creation, allow employable skills. Kaje beno jenshine ni o start na kind driver. Mi ne chake. By the way, and if you are you surprised that Richard ke bomode she sanima contest le. Freeborn ke bomode she sanima contest bo. If you ake bomode she sanajebo. Mi no eta na jebo. O fe shako.
Oh, Dabi. Keko education sanio. Nene inaji wa form being full ngene ke odemeke aya obi meke mini ni chumi angela yo aka gbe school nya. Mini school gbenya egbe SS nya. Sebita flacho Johnny no ko bene o manye na o ma chonka aye manager lo a plain doctor lo a plain lawyer ke SS omi isane enyene AI university eno ni IJE university scholarship program one wawani kumepo lu ke ape masters nga University of Ghana Business School keni niko mengene wawa mene mehu both University of Education winning by UCC almost every public university o wangejukwa wi ngelejene alo form bi ne ingeme wane ange school ya ngelejon niko mepunga nyagbe this academic year lo for me nene wange peyo sebita flache nikome be na muneno ehesenam se ke wana form bin ne anyene aya university na gbe university nya ne muneno ke abawe mio ahie blonya papa hio ama pejo mi ke ha wonge mami ke oyala ni chum hu ke wa o man bin na awomi asku ya womi ya hemio ni chumi na o mana ha mo e ma pe ne ni chum ne anonyam ngehi pe nene ahie we university womi say ss womi ke lo JHS womi ne ahie.
This program is brought to you by Ketsi Star Ghana Foundation with funding from the FCDO and the European Union. Sam George, job creation, and I saw you were flipping some papers.
Submission party say NDC le ode opio party ne epeko ye loke ede woke ma peko hu wange he no kam ka e ma peko lo chapi party ka ke nji wake MPP ne MPP bi ma ade woke amabaha wo nichum nge mami ne abapawa ni fu nga hiyo ne asika tro nga GM Bank ne wada asinga hiyo no ni fu nga mano mi nga ahinsinga hiye na Akufo-Addo ba bank yo eba gun bank yo wasika tro bank yo ni ne angani chunga bank ho afie mengele
aka be chiwa me ni ojugba me ko me hie wo ginehi me ko me hu yeshika na ke ha me na me ke wo bank jiano no ni Bank of Ghana ke he wo mi na kan
ipope nga wa hiyo noko be ne eya loko ja Akufo-Addo ba hinson no be mi ne ma mango no noko bene eya bank ke eya ngo sika na de leke sika be ke oya onesu sika no Akufo-Addo peneba na jamanya baba na wa mambin lo jama hiyo nga banko Akufo-Addo ke amla lu me na ke jama hiyo ba lo hana wa macha me ne jo mahama ne ehie chupa na akedra bank ni chumio eba cha bank yo me kla na Akufo-Addo wo me hiyo ne wa ni nesu wasika ma no
how do we ensure that your people in Ningo Pram are getting real jobs to do?
Yes,
because earlier the fisher folks had told us that the Chinese are on your waters. They have taken over pearl trawling, light fishing, bamboo fishing, whatever it is, and they have taken over such that the people cannot find a way to live.
Chinese biome, pearl trawlers ome, jamacho me klane angewo ya angewa wo no. Sebita flache, noko ne hame womi, noko ne hame hewam, loko ji abange wo ya ne, aji amma na maba yi wo ya nge hiyo ne ahere womi. Akufo-Addo amla luo.
President
Akufo-Addo amla luo. Le ne eha Chinese biome womi. Le ne ede woke wonugo biome ke Ghana biome e machi wonya ne wo Ghana form bi wo achi wonya wo akoya wo se ebli jama wonya ne eke wo ne wo amami wakoya wo ebli wonya ha China bi ke Japan bi ne ahi wo ya lo eno he na wake wa macha ke Akufo-Addo ne wa wo jo mahama ke ba ne ka se jo mahama ba
marine police bi here marine police here fisheries ministry here
aweje ke marine police ma pleke ne emanu noko ne amla lo ha le womi ke marine police ya na menga wo no na bi meke mi na je na nyenga wo ya yo ajo womi ne amla lo ne je a president Akufo-Addo ya amla lo eke ha me no anya na anu me Ministry of Fisheries or lene engeme jama womi o me ha lene engeme jama licenses o me ha yo ne aweche ke oye wasaglemi hiyo jo mahama bemi ababoni chuma ngeleje ke Messi njimo ko ya amawomo ke driver jimo ohia lole na okenge niome wo kenge ya kenge ba ke carpenter jimo o machuni ngeleje no fiano na chuo chuma ni chumio ena ni chu na chuo ngeleje wa yiome ahuoni na ayaleje na ayadwani na ana anyangma na akele wa bime ayadwa pio tangeleje na ni hio hame na Akufo-Addo ba e ba ngani chumionya na engani chumionya e pale chuo mengesa wa bi o mehu wa bi me na angani chu na lejo afie me kekeke pio na hinsinga we ke ona onyemi o ke awe logile chapi awe logile yiwa wecho yiwa we logi Akufo-Addo le ne ba ne e bagba ni chu mi o me one eno he na wa ngede ke ne ede wo ke epekuo mama ke ba chopoli blo na wanyemi o medio ake 40 years ni chu ye no ngeno it's not true.
That's true.
It is not true.
2015 ke oyajama blo no pio o mana ko tangeno o mana kan he ko mengene aboni he nichum 2015 mahama amla luo wo contractor na chele IB Megida leji contractor na aha le nichum na eboni ni ochum eboni ko tapem emra blo no epe convert na nyuma besisi
e wo ma be palo chumo
na Akufo-Addo president Akufo-Addo meba 2017 na abawa jamani chumio ne block pale pro e ko won auditor ne government can pay 4 years ne mano ne government onye na chomo block kake na auditor chon kan apewelo wan mami an block pay government ba na ba pale me ye am laluo president Akufo-Addo eke ACCB o mekla asuban kake nyangom so lo hane a candidate on here e mafo ne because kake ba here mune no maje eftonpo ka iba ye pema
wrap up
yeah eba mami na bade ni ke engani chunga office of the president say director of special operations jile president Akufo-Addo emi mount rominya mambi hlamike maya parliament ne ma da parliament nyana ne minye parliament daje ha esane president Akufo-Addo ngam lablo famio enma wo mi keba parliament wo mi one ma keba parliament o no fiano ne ewole ni chunga office of the president o na engani chunga lejon ebi engami jama wo mi oje no ne Johnny o ma confirm ha mi miniji date o
30th March 2020
30th March 2020 na jehano ni na Akufo-Addo wo me na angani chunga hiyo ke oya wo mi o ni na Akufo-Addo wo na angani chunga office of the president o almost ni 1600 bi o me klanga here Kenya suo no fe no ne badasi na ayaka MPP candidate Alex Mate ebi angamilo ebi abemu emini ki iya tuninga office of the president o no fe no na etuoninga office of the president o wo mi na akawo mo ni chumio president o ke emahamo green wo mi o green emi ye appointment letter dem ni ke president o ya tunije no ne ke Alex Mate ke engani chumio office of the president o ewo a office of the president green letter ne ke ba to man bi
thank you
ke jameye wole ye ni aminu ya ke wo ya eche ya ekwe isaka amenye se ni amakwa ke amada ameda amalo
no ochonke pam wo ya lawyer I'm sure be ni ame ya hego club because ni be hi ye be na ka ochon
nakani if you come ya as well as to Togo ke Guinea nemfe.
I see.
Yeah.
Well, now the source says that for the past 5 years, Chinese folks who have infiltrated their fronts is also saying that the leaders are very much aware of what the problems are, but have done next to nothing about it. And he says that if you put 100 people together, he's sure that 80 of them, that's 80% of them, will be fisher folks or are fisher folks. And he says because of the terrible nature and how it's become quite difficult for the fishing industry here around Pampram to blossom, the youngsters who ordinarily would have become fishermen here or are fishermen here would have to go as far as Togo and Benin sometimes just to go and make ends meet. Mr. Christian, okay, Chief Fisherman Pagbe, Jonathan.
Nibi fonji ya no ya isho here. Ni amechu ni. Ona ni. Nibi fonji ya no ya isho here na amechu ni. Okay, nke ameni chumwe sa here. No yewone.
Ni te baleten ni nye here tu ke noko kra. Nye jimbe ni nye onye moame. Minta male boni ba ne fio na kani nye fio. Ke jinye fi moame ke panga jinjo. Nye ke ya ni la mejo. Nye ke pongo ni huko amejo. Society nye ke logo amejo. Tinye fio le ten.
Yeah. Nwele nyongo densani. Wajenshi bekoneho. Tamboni nunchono yue. Wajenshi. No one town ni light fishing. Wo ya light fishing. Bublan, allo pran. Wo ya light fishing. No one town ni light fishing. Akpa. No woko mwe no ake owa astopu with the support of the Ministry of Fisheries. She will fair kwa lulu na kano. We sake ogme ojwemona. No ya no ne. Ni ka ote wo moame. Is that gun? She volley. Wo ya ji won chumo. And what techniques ni yo wo ya kan ni bi e wo le fe.
Ni ake China bi e ke fie ekomeye tu anokale.
Ame Sami ke tu kan ni bi. Because ame liake o anyewa attack ame. No dane
Ni kenye te enye shegbe.
Oh, be what show be mu no kame you don't confront them.
Okay.
You don't confront them. Ka o confront ame be no kesani e baba.
Okay.
She won wo hie no koni wo susu ake ame hie ni ne arms ka ni bie. Isaka wo kwa no jogwa.
Wo boda na ye Togo gbe jeme e wo ko boten show mi unlock lue ye jeme lue nya badown biete ne ka wo obi ete japo obi o ka ma ke ameka ha ye bie shi bie ne le amenoni e wo amechi ame e wo na fe na kan e ha ni chumo fe fiti ni agbene me ni gbula chan ni ji tore ye ni gbula chan ni amehu kan krama bie no wo na ke pamproche ke agbene opoku ke pete meji saflo Dr. Fish ne ke loji ne fe agbla fe yawodi e wo ko tension yen o ya kan shi na kan no kokoba petro nyumoso wo mo e wo to boni aja machine a wo ne o ya fashika e banki o ke ya he ko ti ona no ko keke abawo choni e yodi be bono yo na kan no yo e wo a he wo fe yodi na gbene woni bibi fite ke obi le school fees keba ona shikando ko ba pay mini ayo ko ti o kando ko ba ewo ene ha agbene wole meni yo Ghana je pampra bi enepe e ja ka wo fan gbe kete apan gbe wo fan gbe ke ya Togo gbe ko ti e ni chumo e ahin ke ko ba me pi alele e ya ka Togo e ja ka na me ti e ni chumo ya ahin ewo ame amonyomo nyomo momo hewo ame helele jin ya medi ewo ha agbene wole no wo fio ni ke ote na ke lo e ban show mi no tension hin no ya he o ba naturally ame ha bogbe kula ame nyenye ten ni twa ke lo e no ni nye ho no jino ni ame gbla ke ya ewo ha no fe basa o na no fio ke wo ke ha onupe aka ba wie tomoshie nyo shete keke fan agmen ko ke han fishes and ba wie tomoshie nyo shete keke agmen e wo ni bi ni ya no e han agbene ole no fio e wo ka ja wo le ni chimomi no ni wo na bi ane chana bi e ko 80% ni Ghana bi ni yo Ghana 20% pe jino ni wona e wo e han homode enchenji wo ni bi fefe
ni marine police marine police me na mecho e
amechu no
oh ka yue na ka
even no ni
ka na ka yue na ka bo pan gbe
no na e wo ni inwi ona kan
jale mo mi o chon mi
be wo minister ni ji madam Afole e ke ni chumo ngma me no amenya amechu shine ke ni chumo ba ha wo e pampran bi ene ka wote me ni ya illegal art fishing wo ka me ba be fe bi wo ka me ba shi ameka me tie ameka me na me.
Is it impossible for us to get the marine police to act? It says, well, the marine police actually do not act because they are in direct connivance with those illegal fishers. What happens is that they, who have no guns, have no machines, are actually the ones who go in there and arrest them because they think once they arrest them, it will inure to their benefit.